Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Monday Motivation with Mary. I'm your host, Mary Thane Brandt from the LinkedIn Bakery, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a mistake. Yes, you can fix a mistake. It does not have to crush you. It might crush your ego. Just brush it off, get over it. And I'm talking about typos, missing links, broken links, images cropped off improperly. It's all happened to us. We try to be perfect. We try to put out this perfect persona out online in social media, etc. But being a business owner can be exhausting. So we hire help like content writers, proofreaders, uh, graphic designers, and VAs, virtual assistants, thinking I'll pass this task over to them and I'll forget about it because it'll be done perfectly, right? Not so much. Hey guys, let me know where you're watching from, what type of business you're in, and how I can help you. Let me know who you need to be connected with because that is one of my God-given talents is being a natural connector. So, we're talking about how to fix a mistake because let's be real, mistakes happen. Technology helps us run our business, but it's technology and it's people behind the technology, right? And we're human. We are not perfect. Case in point is my email that went out last week. I was so excited that I'm starting like this email campaign, really just to provide more tips and trends to my audience. So excited that I got it done on time. I thought it was very valuable, and I remembered to do my CTA, a call to action at the end. And in the call to action, I had put in parentheses, in italics, hey, please insert the link to my upcoming course. I thought my VA would see that. She didn't. I thought I pointed it out. I guess I didn't. You guessed it, she didn't see that, and my email went out with that note in there. Please insert link to course. Make sure it's up on the sales page. Boom. I was devastated, you guys. So why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because I like to keep things transparent and authentic, and I want to help everyone else out there not make the same mistake. I think it's a lesson that we need to hear over and over again. At the end of the day, it's our business and our reputation on the line. So even though the people we hire are fabulous and they want us to succeed too, at the end of the day, it's our responsibility to make sure everything is as good as it can be. Now, if you're looking for a perfect coach to work with, I'm not perfect, so I'm not that coach. If you're looking for someone who is knowledgeable, has a bucket of experience, and is ready to be your cheerleader and call you out when you're not putting in the work, then I am that perfect coach for you. See what I did there? So, when you see a mistake, you can laugh, you can shake your head, you can talk about the person, or you can step it up and you can be the person that reaches out and lets them know that there's a broken link, their image is cropped off, the link didn't work, there's a typo. Be that person and bring it to their attention. Isn't that what you would want done? Wouldn't you want someone to reach out to you and let you know that there was a mistake rather than just shoving it under the rug and not letting you know? After all, we're all human. And if you're in this game of being an entrepreneur long enough, you're going to make a mistake or two. I'd love for you to share with our audience a mistake that you've made that you thought was going to kill you. Like literally you thought, oh my God, that's it. I failed as a business owner. How do I recover from that? Because I know my mistake was probably minor in some of the mistakes that we all go through. And I'm getting ready to launch my course. And I'm nervous as heck that there's going to be broken links, sales pages that don't work, emails that don't go out in the right order. It's a lot of work. So share with us some of the mistakes that you've made so that we can help others avoid those mistakes or just watch for them a little more diligently. Thank you for joining me today. I promise to bring you 7 minutes of motivation, or motivation in 7 minutes or less. And also, please join me this Wednesday at 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time when I'll have Jerry Ann on from Military Mama Network, and she's going to be sharing her ninja tips and tricks on how to increase your community engagement in your Facebook group. So I can't wait. She's Spitfire. We are going to have such a fantastic show. So go ahead and let us know that you're going to attend. If you have any questions, hop on over to the Facebook page, Mary Thane Brandt Coaching and Consulting. There's an event created, and drop your questions in there, and we'll be sure to bring that on live and answer your questions. Have a great day. Ciao.